3 years' time, I will be celebrating 30 years in ministry. For 2029, I'll be celebrating 30 years. As we start preparing for the 30th anniversary, which will be a huge anniversary and celebration, I started saying, God, yini othanda ukuthi siyenze ukubonga. And God spoke to me very clearly and unequivocally and said, ngakhele indlu yegama lami ukubonga. And so I rise up namhlanje to firstly announce that in July 10, 2029, there will be a celebration. But secondly, that celebration, iyoba celebration yokuvulwa kwethempeli eliyoba ngelokuqala engilakha mina esikhathini uNkulunkulu angimise kuso. Kunamathempeli akhiwa ngabazalwane ngokuhlukahlukana kwabo ngezizathu ezihlukene bebonga uNkulunkulu for various things. Kunamathempeli akhiwa ngamabandla, obviously out of the need yokuthi babe nendawo yokukhonza. Kunamathempeli angesiyo nje indawo yokukhonza, kodwa angamathempeli aqopha okuthile uNkulunkulu akwenzile. So abaholi abangaphambili baba namathempeli abawakha akhiwa ngabaholi. Umholi umqalisi waqala ngethempeli enhlokweni elaba ithempeli lokuqala alakha. Inceku yakha ithempeli lokuqala kwaMashu elathi liyinkosana yalo. Ekhona amathempeli amanye aqhubeka akhiwa, kodwa lelo thempeli elaba ithempeli elilidwa nguyena nelimele ubuholi bakhe. NgoSeptember ka1999, emva kokuNkulunkulu engimisile, my very first service, formal service in September of that year, ngicabanga ukuthi kwakuyinkonzo yephasika yayisempangeni. Kula uNkulunkulu wafike wazibonakalisa khona, wangetha khona igama ukuthi nguMalusi. Kula uNkulunkulu afike aqedela khona umsebenzi ayoqalile phezu kweprofeto eziningi ezazehla, kodwa ikakhulukazi iprofeto ezehla khona empangeni. Kodwa kunabantu abathembekile nabamele ubuholi bebandla. Ngiphakamisa kakhulu ilungu Dube elahamba nomholo ngaphambili Nceku ngokuthembeka okukhulu, nokuyilona elangipha ukwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu lokho angimise kukho kuyini. And therefore namhlanje uma ngibheka eindaweni zonke ukuthi leli thempeli lokuqala uNkulunkulu angibizela ukuthi ngilakhe liyobaphi, uNkulunkulu ngibonisa indawo yasempangeni la efisa ukuthi ngimakhele khona kokuqala njengesizinda sesiprofeto sokumiswa kwami. I'm happy to share ukuthi ngonyaka ophelile we secured and bought a piece of land empangeni centrally. Leyo ndawo namhlanje esisegameni lenkonzo eyisite yenkonzo. Initially lo mbono ungakafiki kumina, it was only meant for ibandla lasempangeni, but over time uNkulunkulu ngibonisile ukuthi ukuthi angiqhube ukuthi ngibheke indawo ngize ngiyithole leyo ndawo. It was because lo msebenzi akuwona umsebenzi wasempangeni wabazalwane basempangeni, kodwa umsebenzi webandla lonke. The house that we are going to build in Pangeni will be the beginning of a new architecture in the Church of the Holy Ghost. Izohamba einyathelweni zokuthi lenkonzo ayiyoba inkonzwana. This building is going to be a building that marks a new design founded on excellence, technology, impact, and particularly generational ministry. What we are going to build, it will be 2 levels. It will be a double-story facility that will have, of course, indawo yokukhonza. It will have administration facilities eceleni, indawo zokunikela, and offices that are meant for a administration yebandla. We'll have the green room or the holding room for the leadership yebandla, etc. But it will have a beautiful foyer ngaphambili that will have a small coffee shop. It will have couches for you to sit on, and of course ablution facilities. And then on the upper level, it will have children's room. Indawo yokhonza yabantwana, it will have breakaway rooms that will be used for various workshops, training that we do, and of course Nelate, as we know. Namhlanje kuyisibusiso kumina ukuthi ngize la ukuzonimema ukuthi nihlanganyele kanye nami ukwakha indlu yami yokuqala engiyakhela igama likaNkulunkulu.